Hey, it's Edge here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. We'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and go over some support and resistance areas on shorter time frame. So overall, this is again the chart of Bitcoin from December 2018 to current price. We can see a 200-week moving average here, and let's first take a look at a few different high time frame counts for Elliott Wave. Focus on the primary waves, so the red ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is possibility number 1. Then another possibility, again same pivots down here. Instead of wave 3 being here, it is here, and we're currently looking for the wave 4. This is another possibility where wave 5 is actually already completed, and in that case we would be looking for lower targets. On medium time frame, we have a possibility for this contracting diagonal. This would be in the case where we had 3 up here, 4 coming down, 3 up here and A, B and C coming down here. Then we have the WXY count where we have a 3-way move here, 3-way move here, and now we would be looking again for a 3-way move here. Whether it's done or not yet, let's look into that in just a moment. Before that though, let's take a look at higher time frame and find some confluence around this 200 weekly moving average, simple moving average. Currently again the basic channel here that can be seen basically for this one, this count, again tagging or placing the pivot points for the wave 1 and 3 and bringing it down to 2. We can see this kind of action. The last low we almost got to the trend line, which is really good. Here is again the base channel from 0 to 1 to 2. We can see some kind of confluence around here where the 200 weekly moving average is currently. This one here on a shorter time frame is again the ABC targets here. This one on the yellow is targets for this move here, 1-to-1 extension. It also aligns of course with this parallel channel as it is with the time as well. So 1-to-1 time here and 1-to-1 extension would bring us here, and this would happen around 12th of June. What else do we have here is the 38.2 retracement for this wave 3. So basically retracement of this move here. Now whether the 3 is actually here or here, the target for the wave 3 is not too much moving. We can see it just by lining it up here, here or even here. We are still around that same area-ish. What else do we have here is a target for the smaller time frame that I showed you, the WXY. Not this one, for this ABC. So the target's around 23.3k for the 2.236. Just adding more confluence here. And that's pretty much what I can see. A lot of confluence around these areas. So even if this wouldn't be the local or all bottom here, but this is going to be somewhat of at least a local bottom. Maybe it's not the complete bottom of this move here, but it is most likely going to be a massive support area. We haven't wicked through the 200 weekly moving average on weekly too much. I don't think we have closed below it. Here we actually just closed, I guess we just closed below it, and just on the next candle we went through back again above it. But that's basically what I have for higher time frame. A lot of confluence around 23k. On shorter time frame we have a couple of different counts. Let's take a look at them. So this one was the one that I presented earlier on the earlier videos, saying that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into A or 1, A, B, C into B or 2. Then we can start undervaluing this count saying again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1 of subminuet, 2 into subminuet, and then 3, 4 and 5. Now the only issue here that I can see is, let's zoom in a bit, go to 30 minutes, maybe you can see that it is really hard to say that this is a 5-way structure here. Now this is going to be the issue on the second count I'm going to present to you as well. Trying to get 5 waves into this here, and this would need to be the 1, 2 here, 3, 4 and 5. It is looking really weird. It is legal, and I feel like we could fit the 1, 2 here, but it's not looking too good. In this case we would be saying that this actually was the bottom, but this corrective structure here does not really look like it. Also, the idea that I presented earlier, saying that this could be some kind of a diagonal coming here, is starting to look weird for sure. As this has already taken quite a bit of time, of course the invalidation for this diagonal and all the bearish counts downwards here is around here at 32k, yeah, give or take few tens here. But it's still legal. We can still have some kind of diagonal here, as we are most likely dealing with 3-wave structures here. Now other possibility here is having the 4th here, having a 3rd here. So in the old one I had a 3rd here, 4th and 5th, and not 5th here, but yeah, looking for the 5th actually here somewhere with this diagonal weird looking structure. Now instead of the 3 being up here, I placed it down here, 4th here, to give us some more time basically used for the submenu account. The wave 2 of the submenu account was so small here that I would like to have a bit more time wasted here for the wave 4. The wave 4 is already currently legal, having the 0.618 tagged here. Let me just turn it on here. 0.618 tagged here for the wave 4. So we can already start coming down, and we don't need to be doing any of this weird looking diagonal stuff. But again, this is still suffering from the same issue here with the ABC here, or 3-wave structure here instead of 5 waves. These are actually just nothing. I was just trying to get a count starting from here. But yeah, currently I'm still looking for one more low. Higher time frame, I feel like we do need it. There's a lot of confluence around the 23k area where we could see this last leg taking place. RSI has already resetted itself quite well here, following this trend line up here, and we could definitely, after clearing this RSI coming down, backtest it and then just fall really badly. Of course, this doesn't need to be the end of 4th. This can be just the start of 4, saying this is the first 3 waves, then we get 3 waves down, and then either 3 waves up or 5 waves up. Let's see the targets for wave 4. And these are the targets here. We already got to the 38.2, which is the target for wave 4 usually, so it's definitely possible to start heading down now. Let's check out some volume. We can see that more volume has been coming up in a few candles here, but nothing too out of the ordinary here. We can see that volume has still quite low here, and if we are going to be turning down soon, trying to get the start for the 5th wave, we should be seeing way more volume coming in. Open interest is not doing anything particularly interesting. It has been climbing up since these lows here, but again, after this this high here, we got a drop all the way on until this point, until we got some more short people who are starting short here, most likely as we lost this level here, and then coming down quite fast. But yeah, I think that's all I wanted to share on Bitcoin for now. If you have another account for Bitcoin, let me know as well on the comments. But for now, thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next one. Bye bye.